Hello everyone, I am Preeti Tikkas, lecturer of Electrical Engineering Department A Shift of Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Okay, our practical number 11 of EDC. So it is basic of AutoCAD. So we will discuss the basic of AutoCAD in this. So first introduction. The word AutoCAD is made up of the two words. First one is auto. Auto is the logo of company, and CAD, it is the computer aided designing. So adding the AutoCAD consists of the two words. It is auto and CAD. Okay, logo of the company and the computer aided designing. This AutoCAD software is in a 2D as well as the 3D modeling software. This AutoCAD, which is developed by the Autodesk company. It is based USA based company. It is widely used in the industry for the 2D drawing and the 3D modeling. In the another way, we can say that AutoCAD is a designing course which is performed by the help of computer. AutoCAD software was firstly launched by the Autodesk company in December 1982. It comes in India in 1988. The first version of the AutoCAD was 2000. After that, in every year the version will be updated. So version was updated, then 2001, 2002, 2003 and so on. These are the versions of the AutoCAD. Now recently 2021 version is presently there. The latest version is easy to use and overcome the difficulties of the old version. That's why new versions is come in every year. Okay, so this is the introduction part of this. The diagram shows the AutoCAD screen. In the screen, this black space is called as a workspace of the AutoCAD screen. What you want to draw any object, so simply draw on this black workspace. Then in the screen some toolbars are there. Then layer status windows is there. Then after that draw command, that means file, edit, view, insert, format, tool, draw, dimension, these all are comes in the menu bar. Then this plus sign is shows the cursor. It is very helpful to draw the drawing. Then layout buttons. Then command prompt line, that means what you type or what you do on the workspace. So here command bar is there, so it shows the exact command which have to selected. Then status line is also there. In status line, snap, grid, ortho mode, tracking mode, these all are in the status line. So this is the AutoCAD screen of AutoCAD. So what is AutoCAD? So AutoCAD is a commercial computer aided designing, that means CAD, and drafting software application, which is developed and marketed by the Autodesk company. AutoCAD was first released in December 1982 as the desktop app running on the microcomputer with the internal controllers. Before AutoCAD was introduced, most commercial CAD program ran on the mainframe computer and the mini computer, with each CAD operator or the user working at a separate graphic terminal. AutoCAD is available as a mobile as well as web app. So this is the AutoCAD. Then how AutoCAD work? So AutoCAD work is always in a coordinate system. It is a WCS or UCS, user coordinate system, or web coordinate system. Every drawing shows its coordinates. There are so many commands like copy, move, rotate, mirror in 2D, then path array, rectangular array, polar array, and more. So many commands are present in this AutoCAD. Then different types of drawing can be made in the same time by using the command that is layer, using line, arc, circle, rectangle, ellipse, and the polygon. So many drawing of the different types can be made by using the AutoCAD. Now what is status bar? So status bar displays the cursor location, then a drawing tool and tools that affects your drawing environment. Then status bar provides the quick access to some of the most commonly used drawing tool. You can toggle settings such as grid, snap, polar tracking, and object snap. You can also access additional setting for some of these tools by clicking their drop down arrows. So this is the status bar. Then to display the menu bar, so at the top left of the application window, on the right end of the quick access toolbar, click the drop down menu and show the menu bar. At the command prompt, enter menu bar, enter 1 to display the menu bars. Then toolbar, to display the menu, quick access toolbar drop down, then show the menu bar. Then to display a toolbar, click tool menu, toolbars, and select the required toolbars. Then how to set the limits? So first open the software, then type limits on the command line or command prompt, then press enter or spacebar, you may enter. Then write the coordinates of the lower left corner, for example 0 0, and the coordinates for the lower left as are usually the coordinates of the origin for better understanding. We can also modify the coordinate according to the requirement. Press enter. Write the coordinate of the upper right corner, for example 200, 200, or what you want, like 1000, 1000, 100, 200, likewise. Then press enter. Then write Z for the zoom, specify the zoom. Then press enter. Then write E or A to extend that. So E is the signifies for the extend, and press enter. So the drawing limits are set on your workspace. Thank you.